Hello, good afternoon everyone. So I'm Jason Sedra, the product manager of Residur. So next slide please. So the first four lines, these are the products who brought the chunk of sales for Residur. So these are the top 10 lines na talagang yung sales is continually driving the company or the brand. So the first four lines, sige ma'am, next slide, are the anti-aging products. So we have the gentle cleanser, the moisturizer, the serum also for fine lines and wrinkles. So next slide. So if there are patients who are looking for a gentle cleanser, neutral pH, pre and post procedure cleanser for patients, this is the product that's best to be recommended. Next slide. Yeah. Okay, so it's for daily use. It can be also used for sensitive areas of the patient or sensitive parts because of the neutral pH. And then this is a soap-free product. So it's very gentle. It only uses mild surfactants. It also has anti-inflammation ingredients, moisturizer, and improves the skin immune property of the skin. So for moisturizing plus, if we are looking for a moisturizer who's a gold standard, which is the hyaluronic acid, it has 3 different molecular weights. So it can penetrate the different layers of the skin, particularly the dermal layer. So deeply moisturize ka talaga yung skin. And aside from that, it also has active peptides, acetyl tetrapeptide 9 and acetyl tetrapeptide 11, which mimics the body's mechanism for our collagen production. Same, next one. So matte effect cream naman is for patients who are normal oily to combination. If the patient is looking for moisturizer and problem niya is yung excess yung sebum, Residerm balances the sebum or the oil of the patient by the use of Nigella sativa and the pumpkin oil while treating the dehydration of the patient. So it has Ficus carica gel as an intensive moisturizing property. And may oligosaccharides din, which is water binding properties. So prevent yung transepidermal water loss ng patient. And may sunflower extract as antioxidant. Sige naman. And if we are looking naman for serum, pag serum kasi mas mabilis yung absorption niya. Pag si patient, ang problem niya is fine lines and wrinkles, revitalizing serum is the best way to go. Kasi it has active peptides, acetyl tetrapeptide 9 and acetyl tetrapeptide 11, which is for collagen stimulation. And aside from that, may D-ribose siya or yung beauty sugar natin, which oxygenates the cells deep inside. And then, hydroxyproxysalin stimulates collagen production as well. So twice a day can be used to face and neck. Next slide. Yeah. For oily to acne-prone patients naman, we also have the Acnorm line. This is a product of Residerm for patients with mild to moderate to severe acne. So we have the wash, the color green, the normalizing lotion, which is the color blue or the toner, yung naka-reverse pump, and then the total control, the treatment green itself. So for Acnorm Active Foam Plus, what will I highlight here is the alpha hydroxy acids. If the patient has pimple marks, mga dark pigments after the acne, AHA is a great exfoliator. So, meron siyang keratinization. So, pinipil niya yung, pero micropeeling lang. Hindi siya visible sa naked eye. Pinipil niya yung mga dead skin cells para mag-lighten yung mga pimple marks natin. So, may mga anti-inflam din siya. Back mo lang siya. Yeah. So, we have 2 methods here. So, the mild action is after mag-wash ng face and then pinom natin, i-rinse off lang natin siya. Pero yung enhanced action naman, after natin mag-wash and then pinom na natin, gamit lang tayo ng cotton pads or cotton balls to wipe para yung ingredients, pwede siyang mag-overnight dun sa face, which enhances the action of the active foam plus. So, after natin mag-wash, you also need the toner for acne, which is the acne normalizing lotion. So, it has oleanolic acid, which is a sebum regulating property, keratolysis, and antimicrobial action. So, what it does is, nire-regulate nila yung sebum kasi hindi natin pwede tanggalin totally yung oil. Kasi ang mangyayari, kung may compensatory mechanism yung body na pag totally mo remove yung oil, magpo-produce yung sebum ng mas maraming oil. So much better na ibabalance nila yung oil through the help of oleanolic acid. And what's good in this is meron siyang Fomes officinalis, a mushroom extract, tinatighten niya yung pores. Hindi naman niya totally isasaraw, miniminize lang yung pores. So it's a mushroom extract. As aside from that, while treating the acne, it also has deep sand, which is a patent of Resider. So while treating the acne, it calms the skin. So 1 to 3 times a day din siya, and then do not rinse. Wipe lang natin ang cotton pads. For total control, so this is the treatment cream itself for Resider. So it has vitamin C, bakuchiol, niacinamide, salicylic acid. So it has different ingredients for acne. Pero what will I highlight here is the bakuchiol. Kasi si bakuchiol, comparable siya to retinoic acid. So we get the gold standard treatment for acne, but lesser yung side effect na makukuha or yung chance na makuha ng patient. And aside from that, it has also yung deep sand, which is the patent of Resider to calm the skin. So 1 to 3 times a day din siya. Pwede rin siyang spot treatment kung saan may acne sa patient. So there. Tapos, here naman yung best selling line ni Resider, si sunscreen. So we have 3 kinds of sunscreen. So first is the sunscreen clear, sheen transparent, na may second skin technology. So for male patients, pwede natin siyang gamitin. The second one naman is yung sunscreen color velvet technology, which has the smart pigments. Siya yung parang may foundation. So pag ginamit natin siya, it will adapt the skin tone. So no need to do another foundation kasi mag-a-adapt naman siya. Yung mga blemishes natin, kaya niya ng address. And then the last one is the sunscreen body. Siyempre pag may mga patient tayo active na nagka-triathlon, nagbabike, nagja-jogging, hindi lang face yung dapat natin yung protect. So also the body. Lalo sa mga swimmers, lalo babad sa araw, need din natin ang protection sa other parts of the body. So innovation 1, yung microprismatic crystals. So one of the innovation in Resider. So nag-create yung ingredients natin, meron parang ano siya, parang nag-create siya ng optical illusion. Pag tinamaan siya ng sun or sun rays, nagkakaroon siya ng wrinkle masking effect. Parang shining and shimmering yung effect niya. So ganun kaganda yung yung product, yung innovation niya. So matte finish din siya for 6 hours, and then ina-absorb niya yung excess oil and sebum. So infrared refraction, it means that yung chemical filters na ginamit natin for Resider is heat stable. So kahit ma-expose ka sa extreme heat, hindi ma-alter yung protection niya. Broad spectrum of protection pa rin siya, kahit sobrang init mo isa. And then second, skin technology. Ito yung result of research and development ni Resider. So that's why pag nilagay natin yung sunscreen, may velvety effect siya. Yung texture niya sobrang ganda, sobrang gaan na. Compared to other sunscreens malapit, this one is different. It protects you against UVA and UVB, but it allows your skin to breathe. Hindi niya naka-cloud yung pores. So here, as you can see, the particles and molecules. So non-comedogenic si Resider. So while protecting us against the sun, nakakahinga pa rin yung skin natin. And then, compared to other sunscreens, mabilis lang yung absorption ni Resider. It's under 6 seconds. Kasi may experience tayo, may mga sunscreens na pag nilagay natin, Parang may white cast siya. Parang sobrang puti. This one, it's different. Under 6 seconds, pwede rin siyang ma-absorb na skin. So, unique advantage, effective sun protection, innovative yung texture niya, velvety, non-comedogenic, and then may amazing result because of the second skin technology. So, for all of the sunscreens naman, halos same ingredients naman siya. So, DHHB filter, may carnosolic acid, inorganic filter. What will I highlight here is the second skin technology. Iba kasi talaga yung texture niya kumpara sa other sunscreens in the market. Siya yung nag-iisang magaan lang, hindi mabigat sa skin, non-comedogenic. Nakakahinga pa rin yung skin mo kahit naka-sunscreen. This one naman is the sunscreen body. Same ingredient pa rin, pero for arms, for legs, for chest, and back. And then ayun, pwede natin siya gamitin for mga active patients na nagbabike, nagka-triathlon, nagja-jogging, swimming. There. And then next slide. So, na-mention ko kanina, broad spectrum of protection siya. May protect na tayo niya against UVA and UVB sa sunburn. And then yung UVA yung mismong nagda-damage dun sa DNA natin. And then sa UVC also, which is blocked also by our ozone layer. So for our daily routine, syempre hindi natin mag-cleanse. Pag-hydrate to the help of moisturizers. We also have the treatment, kung may fine lines and wrinkles, pwede tayo mag-revitalizing serum. Kung may acne patients naman tayo, for acne, we have wash, toner, and the treatment cream. And syempre last, sun protection. Pag ina-address natin yung mga fine lines and wrinkles or acne, need pa rin natin ng protection against UV. And yung daily regimen natin for acne-prone skin, cleanser, toner, moisturizer, and sun protection. We also have a product in Presiderm that's for makeup. So syempre, hindi naman lagi tayo naka-sunscreen. Kaya pag meron tayong event in the evening, we're looking for makeup. We have different shades of Presiderm makeup, which is the velvet color medium and velvet color light. And what's good in this is same yung texture niya because of the help of second skin technology. Super velvety din ang feel niya, non-comedogenic din. And at the same time, it has the ingredients of antioxidant, skin repair, and covering the blemishes of the patient. So here, as you can see, the wrinkle masking effect is about 84%. So may matte finish din siya. Ina-absorb niya yung excess sebum para mas yung matte finish mas maganda sa patient. And then, it has strong antioxidant action, no masking effect, and long-lasting coverage. Especially pag may mga event tayo pupuntahan. We need yung premium makeup. So, and for oily skin, for dry skin, and for mature skin. So, hindi lang fine lines or wrinkles, yung blemishes, kino-cover niya. May strong antioxidant action. At the same time, it allows our skin to repair. So, Presiderm Hair Force naman, if we have patients experiencing alopecia, hair loss, hair thinning, this is the best product that we can recommend. For alopecia areata, yung mga minsan tinatawag natin popnut or yung medical term alopecia areata. And then, for androgenetic alopecia, which is common for men, and then, this is the product that we can recommend. So we have the Hair for shampoo for men. This one is, ina-address niya mismo yung root cause ng hair loss or hair thinning. Kasi with this ingredient, yung olenolic acid, apigenin, biotinyl GHA, it targets yung what we call this yung 5-alpha reductase. Siya yung nagko-cause mismo kung saan mag-shrink yung hair follicle. And pag nag-shrink yung hair follicle, mas madali siyang matanggal, parang mabunod. Kasi lumiit siya. compare kapag healthy yung hair follicle natin. Yung anchor nung yung hair strands, hindi siya madaling matanggal. Kasi healthy yung nag-hold sa ilalim or yung sa root niya. So, yun yung ina-address of the hair force shampoo for men. For the women naman, same ingredients lang din. But, the thing is, this one, hindi lang yung hair loss yung ina-address niya, but also yung smoothness ng hair and ayun, yung resistance niya, yung volume, yung shine. Sa babae kasi hindi lang hair loss yung problem. Gusto niya smooth din yung hair niya and shiny. Sa lalaki kasi minsan, hair loss lang talaga yung problem. So with this one, may Ceramide A2 and ayun na, may sunflower extract. So these are the ingredients, combination of biomimetic peptides to address the thinning of the hair and the hair follicle. And this one naman, after natin mag-shampoo, syempre dapat may spray tayo dun sa hair. We have the hair force lotion. So for this one, same ingredients din siya actually. As you can see here, yung study niya, yung hair bulb mas nag-taken siya. Kasi pag manipis yung sa hair bulb niya, mas madali siyang mahulog dun sa root, dun sa hair follicle. Here you can see the study by the use of the peptide. So these are the other studies of hair force lotion. Nag-improve yung hair growth stimulation by 58% and 121% naman through time. So technically may mga other na services kung saan ginagawa para mag-hair growth, minsan PRP, minsan hair transplant, pero dapat ma-maintain din natin siya. Kasi pag napatubo na natin yung hair, kasi hindi natin maintain or inlaga, eventually mag-hair fall din siya. So we need yung maintenance, which is the hair force. Same din yung ingredients na biomimetic peptides, may zinc, and other antioxidants. So yun lang, thank you.